ごいね、あのな、こいつ、ゴリゴリやってくる。
Oh, Danny's popular. So is Joey. Okay, okay, good. Whoa, 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 okay, okay. Uh-oh.
凶暴なやつだ、俺は。背中ゴリゴリやってるんでしょ。
Whoa. Aggressive buddy.
こいつも強引。ゴリゴリ。
This guy's aggressive, my goodness. Oh, thank you. You want some?
Sure do, don't you?
Sorry. Ooh. Jump him. Joey, you almost got mugged.
Looks like he's getting ready to.
Oh, Joey, I'd feed him.
I know you still.
So, how many people a year get killed by deer in Nora?
3.
One got a broken nose a couple of years ago because they were an artist and they sat down to draw, and the deer tried to eat their paper, and they struggled with it, and the deer punched them in the face.
The deer won?
Well, the person got a broken nose.
Wow, look at them go.
One of my favorite parts is feeding the deer.
Joey's gonna get mugged and I'm gonna get it on film. That's paper, Danny.
Oh, he's big.
Hi.
I'm just gonna give you a cookie so you'll go away.
Hi. Hi. I don't have a cookie. I don't. No, I don't. No, no. Not yes. No. I seriously don't.
Sorry, you have none.
This one's headbutting the other one.
Now they can really spot it.
Uh-oh.
Best with the one last year, as soon as it started to take a film of it, it was just like...
Yeah. Oh, I love feeding the deer. It's my favorite part.